Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will discuss about significant figures. These are basically the figure of digits which is used for make our measurement calculations more accurate, because there are somehow non-significant figures which are just making our calculation or measurement not fair. For sake of accuracy, we use the significant figures. So let's talk about significant figures. What are the significant figures? A figure of digit denotes any one of the 10 numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mean these are the 10 numbers. But the condition is that in case of significant figures, these are not only alone, mean it not 1 2 3, it may be more than, mean in form of combination which serves to express a number. And a significant figure is a digit having some practical meaning, mean it is the amount of quantity in the place in which it stands. It is the amount of quantity in the place in which it stands. For example, like as you are seeing here, that there are yes, there are three, the 0.456, and then 4.56, then 4456. These are the three values you are seeing here. But how can you tell me about that in these values which digits are significant or not? In first value 0.456, here 0 point is just to locate the decimal, so it is not included in significant figure. Here 0 point is not included, here 0 is non-significant figure. So the first thing is clear that 0 is non-significant, but it also are significant. In case, let talk about the second point. Here 0 may or may not be a significant figure. A 0 is the significant figure except when it serves to locate the decimal point. Like here, when I am telling you about 0.456, here 0 is not a significant because it is used here to locate the decimal point. But whenever it is not used to locate the decimal point, like 1 point, as here 0.13680, here 0 is not used for pointing out or to locate the decimal point, so it is here a significant figure. Where now calculate how many significant figures are there in this value of 1.3680. So here are 5 significant digits figures. Okay, and next is that when it indicates that the quantity in a place in which is 1.3680, right हो गया. 0 is the significant but in 0.0035, लेकिन जब ये पॉइंट के बाद भी हैं, इसमें 0 जो है वो सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है. मीन here are 0.0035, here also 00 are non-significant figures because it is not significant due to it is just to locate the decimal point, right? So you can easily calculate the significant digits from there. Let's talk about the rules of pointing out the significant figure. Right हो गया. So computation rules, how you can compute, how you can calculate, or you can tell about the significant figures. The first rule tells us that more than one doubtful digit never retain in our significant figure. Mean eliminate all the non-significant figures from our value. Okay, talk about second rule. According to second rule, because somehow when we are discussing about the values or measurements, then our value is between the two values. Like here an example, 30.5 ml and 30.7 ml. Whenever you are unaware of the rules of these values, so I am talking about whenever you are doing a calculation, then there is maybe a chance that your value is between the two values. Like here an example, a volume between 30.5 milliliter and 30.7 milliliter. If you are just unaware of the that rule, then you may write it as 30.60, which is incorrect, because whenever you are writing a significant figures only, then your data will be given should contain one uncertain figure, so because whenever you are using, then it will become 30.60, then here is chance that it becomes 30.59 and 30.61, which is incorrect. So you should write it like 30.6 milliliter. Okay, let's talk about rule number 3. According to rule number 3, it is given you a full form scenario how you can skip the non-significant figures. Okay, when the last digit drop is greater than 5, then what you will have to do? Here an example is easy way to understand. So here an example like 8.947. Okay, then we will have to do, because here 9, okay, here 947, which is greater than 5. Okay, in this case the last digit retained is increased by 1. Okay, here is 8.947. Here the last digit is 4, then the last digit retained is increased by 1, it will become 8.95. right हो गया. And the next examples also like that. Here is 4.863. then how you can apply that rule, because here is also a case that it is greater than 5, 4.863. so simply a1 add up in 8, it will become 4.9. okay, and this is known as rounding up. Clear. Next is that if the first digit discarded is less than 5, okay, then what should we have to do for that case? Right, for more understanding, better understanding, we will see an example 5.64987. okay, here the 5.64, which is greater than, here you can see that here is 5.6498. Let me locate it. Here is 5.64987. you can see it, the 4, which is the first digit which is to be eliminated from it, is just less than 5. so how you can round it up? For it you need not, because here is a rule of rounding down. For the case if the first digit discarded is less than 5, then for that case what should have we do? The just skip all the non-significant figures. okay, like 5.64987, here's 4, which is just less than 5. For that case just skip all the non-significant figures, and our accurate value will be 5.6. it is according to rule. And here is one more case, exponential. What is that case? Here an example given 5.57832. Okay, for that case, when you are expressing it like 5.783 multiply 10 to raise power 4. Here is when 2, you are seeing here 2, but when it is in exponential form notation, then 2 is skipped because it is just less than 5. Okay, let's move toward our rule 4. And rule 4 is about addition or subtraction, because in our values we also have attention about addition or subtraction. When our we are sub all the values are sum up, or there is summation of values, then there is a case for the significant figure answer. For that case, the three values, उन थ्री वैल्यूज़ को हम देखेंगे, और जिसमें लेस एक्यूरेटली नाउन नंबर है वो मैच होना चाहिए हमारे आंसर के साथ इन सिंपल वर्ड्स. So we can see that 35.6, 0. Here 35.6, 0.162 and 71.41. These are the three numbers. You can see here which is the less accurately known number. 35.6 is less significant digit. So our value of answer should match with that less significant number containing quantity, right? This is basically the rule for summation or addition. Let's talk about the rule 5, which is about multiplication or division. For multiplication there is a rule, and for addition there is also a rule. Okay, for the multiplication, if you are multiply the quantities like 0.0121, 25.64, 1.05782, when you are just multiplying these quantities, then there is a rule. The answer should contain the significant digits equal to the significant digits of the value in your given quantities having the largest uncertainty. Mani ke 0.328, here are three significant digits, and see in our given quantity 0.0121, 25.64, 1.05782. Here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, but our value should match with largest uncertainty values. Here one point out is that 1.05782 is just change in 1.06. So it just contains the three significant figures. So our answer should match with the largest uncertainty value, which is multiplication, right? And for division there is a rule. Let me just locate it. Yes, 0.018057 multiply 197.15 multiply 0.218, then it is divided by 0.4970. Least number of significant figure is 0.218. So for division, when you are dividing the value, then your answer significant figures should match with the least number of significant figure in your given data or given value. Hope so you understand. For multiplication, your answer should match with the largest significant quantity figure containing quantity. Okay, and for division case, your value or answer should match with the least number of significant figure containing in your given data. Let's talk about our last rule, which is sixth rule. It is basically the rule which is just summing up all the things. When the calculation involves both addition and subtraction, then what should you do first? You should do first addition number of significant figure in the answer to determine. Okay, rule number 6 tells us computation involving a precision not greater than 1/4%. 1% should be made with the 10th inch rule slide rule. Okay, this is basically the rule. Okay, this rule is basically used for, इसको हम आगे पढ़ते हैं. Slide rule is good method for checking the calculation made by logarithms. Use of logarithms has been recommended where a large number of multiplication and division are to be made, and this is used for greater precision, and logarithm tables should be used. Hope so you understand all about the significant figures. Thanks for watching.